Talofa lava, my name is Beulah Koale and I'm an actor.
He's one of the best actors that I've ever met.
He's good. Yeah, he's good. He's a real deal, man. Otara boy, born and bred. Life experience, man.
I started at my school at Tangaroa College. We didn't have drama in school. I don't think our school could afford it, having a drama department, but some people came in and decided to run a little drama class, and we got to skip 3 periods on Mondays if we went along. So me and a couple of the boys from the Fresh 15, we just went along to skip a couple of classes. Oh, my first ever like proper theatre workshop. I remember walking in and just being scared because, you know, there are these people like looking at me straight in the eyes. And I was like, what the hell was going on? And I remember walking into the room, seeing about 20 kids just laughing, and they looked like they all knew each other, and I didn't know anyone. And I walked straight out and went to the bakery and bought me a cream donut, and then, you know, I was like, you know, I'm not a person to give up. So bought my cream donut, walked myself back into the building at OMAC and forced myself to look into these teenagers' eyes and do the workshop. That was 7 years ago, and you know, look where I am now. And I wouldn't change anything unless Graham Henry gave me like the front door to play for the All Blacks. So yeah, I wouldn't change anything.
Who's this? You need to get out more.
I've seen the movie maybe 10 or 11 times, and every time I see something different with his performance, and it's just got so many layers.
The past couple of years have been pretty massive for me in terms of my career. You know, like I've had my first lead role in a major film in New Zealand, The Last Saint, took core cast in a major TV series, The Cul-de-sac. See, when that wave took the adults, I left something in their place.
What?
I don't know. But you can hear them creeping around outside at night. Just scratching away, just trying to find a way to get inside. And now I got a lead role in a Hollywood feature film run by DreamWorks, which is crazy. You know, thank you for your service. I play an American Samoan soldier who's back from war, who's suffering from PTSD, so post-traumatic stress. And the movie follows him and the other lead, who's played by a guy called Miles Teller. Getting this role and going over to LA and working with Miles Teller, this guy who's been on Whiplash, you know, Fantastic Four. You know, I wasn't scared. I was more excited in my head, I was like, man, you're gonna run it straight, man, and I'm gonna hit you like really bad. And you know, and I did, you know. And I remember in the screen test room, he was just like, when we did the first scene, he was sitting there and he was just looking at the director. He's like, dude, man, this guy from New Zealand, man, he's awesome. And I was like, oh, bro, this guy must be saying to everyone. And I just kept, you know, running it straight.
As actors, we know, you know, if one door closes, the other one opens, and now there's 2 massive doors in America that have opened up for him. And I wish him all the best, because I think he's got the goods to just roll on from that.
Beulah, I wish you all the best. You're a fantastic actor, you know. Always good, listening. Remember to play games, you know. Always find the joy in what you're doing.
When I was like 5 years old, I used to pray. I used to pray and go, God, please fill my mum's purse up with money. And we used to do, me and my little brother, every night that would be the end of our prayer. So I guess my childhood dream was to always, and still is now, help my family and look after them.